Hey Brandi, how you doing? I wanted to send you this video because it's really important to me that I acknowledge, or at least spend some time acknowledging how much you've helped me. I can't tell you and thank you enough as far as all the things that have been beneficial so far with us working together, from setting up my YouTube channel, which you did an amazing job. I really like it. There's no way I could have come up with that kind of creativity. At least it would have taken me a lot longer. My email campaigns, from my website, and all the help and suggestions that you've given me. I think the biggest impact that you have shown me is the power of becoming very creative with my thinking and not being so rigid, and to open my mind up to a greater universe of possibilities. So it has really made a huge difference in my website traffic, my YouTube channel traffic, as well as my email campaigns and my open rates. So it's just amazing that you're so multifaceted. It's kind of bananas. I'm so excited that we got a chance to connect. So I hope that you find this video in good spirit, and that you can tell others about my appreciation. And I highly suggest that anyone that is considering working with you, do not, and I mean do not, pass up this opportunity. All right, thanks so much. Bye.